Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
We're rolling. We're just going to start right now. We have Miss Rainbow, who had a tennis accident, right?
Right.
Right, okay. And fortunately, despite the fact that there was a pool of blood left on the court, I understand.
Oh, wow. That's right.
Just needed a few stitches above the right brow, right?
Correct.
So Miss Donna is going to take those out, and then we're going to put a few steri strips in place, right? Okay. Now, when this happened, did you lose consciousness or anything like that?
No, never blacked out, never was dizzy or anything, so I was lucky, I guess. But I think my sunglasses did the damage here.
Ah, the old sunglass laceration, yes.
Or perhaps they shielded me a little bit. What do you think? I don't know.
Well, you never know, right? There's always a possibility, right? I have some special glasses that are prescription that I use when I'm going to do some kind of a high-impact activity.
Really?
But sometimes sunglasses will have some of that feature built into it. So yeah, so there's always a possibility that it did kind of help some. It really doesn't look too terribly bad. It looks like the wound lined up very nicely.
Great.
You might have one that's kind of hidden down in there, huh?
There were a couple of puncture wounds. My head bounced on the pavement.
Oh, bless your heart.
And so
Miss Donna is just fabulous at this. I think you got them. Did they give you a count as to how many stitches they put in?
4, I think you said.
I believe we got 4 out, didn't we? All right, now, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to put some steri strips on. And the steri strips, we call them smart strips. And what they're going to do is help just give the skin a little bit more support for a few more days. They'll fall off on their own, okay? So you don't have to worry about when to take them off.
Okay.
Now, the bruising and the discoloration that you're seeing, all of that is very, very normal, okay, with this kind of injury. So you don't need to worry that something bad is happening. Your body will take care of that. It's a very shallow bruise you have. The little shiner there, right? I don't know why they call them shiners. I always call them black eyes, but I guess shiners. You put that sticky stuff on there?
A little bit.
A little bit of sticky stuff? Oh. Here's steri strip number 1. You got the little bitty ones, didn't you?
I cut them in half.
Ah. 2. You gonna do a 3rd one? One more steri strip. I think you're going to be real happy. I think that whoever put these stitches in for you did a great job.
It looks really great.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. There you go. So, are you going to put a Band-Aid over that?
I will if you want
Okay.
me to.
So we're going to be done here. She's going to put a Band-Aid on there. If you have any more problems with this, you just let us know, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Rainbow, you're okay if we video you for our friends on YouTube?
I think that'll be fine.
You're awesome. Well, thanks a lot, and I hope this heals up, continues to heal up wonderfully for you.
Thank
You
you.
bet. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Meta 7 combines 7 vital nutrients that boost your metabolism. These essential nutrients boost your energy level and may even help you lose weight. The goal of Meta 7 is to help you activate your life. So if you are feeling a bit sluggish and want your energy back, try Meta 7 today.